Unraveling the mysteries of might in English. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the world of modal verbs, specifically focusing on the intriguing word, might. It's a small word, but it holds great importance in the English language, especially when it comes to mastering grammar for TOEFL and IELTS. Let's get started. Might is a modal verb used in English. Modal verbs are auxiliary verbs that provide additional information about the verb that follows them. Unlike most verbs, might does not change its form. So, it's always might, whether you're speaking about the past, present, or future. Examples: I might go to the cinema tomorrow. She might have visited the museum yesterday. 1. Possibility. Might can indicate something is possible, but uncertain. Example: it might rain later. 2. Past form of may. It's used to talk about past events that were possible but did not happen. Example: she might have attended the concert, but she was feeling unwell. 3. Suggesting or offering. When making a polite suggestion or offer. Example: you might want to check your answers before submitting. 4. Conditional situations. To talk about situations that would possibly happen if a certain condition were met. Example: if I studied more, I might have passed the exam. It's essential to understand the nuances between might and other modals. Might versus may. Both can be used for possibility. However, might is often seen as slightly less probable than may. She may be at home. There's a good chance. She might be at home. There's a possibility, but I'm not certain. Might versus will. Will indicates a certain future action, while might is unsure. I will attend the meeting tomorrow. I'm sure about it. I might attend the meeting tomorrow. I haven't decided yet. There you have it. The modal verb, might, is versatile and plays a vital role in expressing possibility, uncertainty, and so much more. As you continue preparing for TOEFL and IELTS, remember the nuances and practice using might in different scenarios. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we encourage you to keep learning and practicing. Until next time, happy learning!